Osmoregulation is the control of the water potential of the blood, and the collecting ducts of the kidney nephrons have a really important role here. The collecting duct runs down through the medulla, where there's a low water potential due to the sodium ion transport that happened back in the loop of Henle. This means that water can move out of the filtrate by osmosis and be reabsorbed into the blood. However, the amount of water reabsorbed is not fixed. It's controlled by a hormone called ADH, which stands for antidiuretic hormone. This hormone is produced by the hypothalamus and stored and released by the posterior pituitary gland. Specialised cells in the hypothalamus called osmoreceptors detect the water potential of the blood. If the blood water potential is too low, for example during dehydration, water moves out of the osmoreceptor cells by osmosis because the blood has a lower water potential than the cells. This means the cells decrease in volume. This triggers the hypothalamus to send nerve impulses to the posterior pituitary gland, which releases more ADH into the blood. ADH is transported to the kidneys in the blood and binds to specific receptors on cells in the collecting duct. This causes the cells to put more aquaporins, which are channel proteins for water, into the cell surface membranes facing the lumen. As a result, the tubules become more permeable to water, so more water is reabsorbed into the blood by osmosis. This means a smaller volume of more concentrated urine is produced, and it helps to raise the blood water potential back to normal. If blood water potential is too high, the opposite happens. Less ADH is released, fewer aquaporins are inserted, and less water is reabsorbed, meaning a larger volume of more dilute urine is produced. This is an example of negative feedback. The body detects a change and triggers a response that brings conditions back to the optimum.